Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to bind the carry function on fivem. It allows players to pick up and carry other players, which can be especially helpful in role-playing scenarios. To set up a carry bind, you'll need to use certain commands in the game console or through a script in the server's configuration file. We're gonna use a script with a key bind. Many fivem servers use pre-built scripts like ESX carry or other custom scripts that supports carry feature. You can now find these popular fivem resource sites like GitHub or forums like fivem.net. Just download the carry script and place it in the resources folder of your fivem server. Add start ESX carry to your server configuration file to ensure it runs when the server starts. Once the script is installed, check the documentation, as each carry script may have a slightly different key bind setup. If the script supports customizable key binds, you can often set this in the script's configuration file. You can bind keys using in-game console by typing a command like bind key and command. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.